next time, ladies and gentlemen, keep it going, keep it going. Put up
How many of you like to read? Read books in general. Kindle भी चलेगा. You like to read, you like to read. Do you like to read? ऐसा थोड़ा enthusiasm किधर है तेरा? ठीक है, कोई नहीं. I've got a couple of books for you, man. I mean, he's got it and I'll take them from him. Perfect. So these are like big books of silly jokes, 50 Shades of Grey. Murder at Pride Lodge, Think and Grow Rich. Okay? Lovely. Name, let's just come. Can you stand here with me for a second? Give him a round of applause, guys. What is your name? Ravi, just touch any book you like. That one? Okay, take it. Now Ravi, we'll just give these back to him. Now Ravi, you're going to go back to your seat. And you are going to look at a word. Okay? So open up to any page you like. Open it up. No, don't let me see it. Hold it like this. Okay, perfect. Like completely, I can see the page kind of the corner. So hold it completely like flat, parallel to your face. Lovely. Now Ravi, are you happy with that page? Do you want to change it? You're happy with it? Why? No, I'm kidding. Now Ravi, you're going to pick a word, but don't pick a preposition or a conjunction like and, but, if. That's like on every page. Don't also pick a name. Pick a nice big word. Make it challenging. 8, 9 letters. Probably the biggest word you see on any page you want over there. Or out of the two. And once you see the word, remember it for me. And shut the book. Keep it with you. Perfect. Ravi, this is a nice long word, right? Would you say more than 10 letters? Yeah, oh fuck, okay. You actually took that seriously. Huh? People are generally like, nahi chota leta hu na. Why to make his work difficult? But Ravi is a challenge, huh? Nice. Okay, Ravi, think of the first letter. We'll start simple. Think of the first letter. Say it to yourself over and over again. Nothing out loud, Ravi. I'm getting the letter A. Is the first letter A? First letter is B. C? D. E? F? G? Is it before M or after M? Okay. बहुत टाइम लगता, पूछा नहीं रहता तो. Is it N? O? P? P? Guessed absolutely correctly, guys. P. Now go for the second letter. Okay, focus on the second letter. We'll do it genuinely. Oh, the second letter is A. I got confused because of the B? C? D? I don't have to do this trick. I'm a star. I don't have to do these petty mind reading children level things. I have other people to do it for me, basically. Yeah, every magician has assistants, right? Now, when I say assistant, I'm not talking about the lady on stage who is there to distract you all the time. I have a more modern assistant. You people know her name? Siri. Everybody's heard of Siri? I have Siri with me. And I think Siri will be able to help me out better in a lot of ways. So I'm just going to bring out my phone. And just yup. Let me give you the mic as well. Hey Siri.
Will you please remove this ridiculous dress off of me?
Okay, I'll take it off.
How does it feel to take off a woman's clothes for the first time in
How would you even know something like that?
Your internet search history has made it pretty clear.
Moving on.
The truth is the truth.
It's okay. We'll ask another question. Who is the best magician in the world?
Well, it is certainly not you.
Then who is the best?
I am the best magician in the world.
Really? You can do magic?
Yes, let me show you.
Okay.
Think of a number.
Okay.
What is the number that you are thinking of?
16.
I knew you would think of that number.
That does not prove anything. You will have to do better.
Says the guy who has not been with a single woman in 4 years.
Can we please focus?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Ravi is thinking of a random word.
Okay.
Read his mind and tell us what is he thinking of.
That's not easy. Give me a minute. I think Ravi is thinking of the word photographer.
Photographer, is that word? Photographer, ladies and gentlemen. And Ravi, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Alrighty then. Let me put this back. Now we have the envelope that I gave you. In the beginning of the show, you've had that, right? Ravi, take that envelope from her. Bring the book with you. Join me on stage. Give Ravi one last round of applause, guys. Perfect. Now, Ravi, this is the end of the show, guys. This envelope. Okay, since the beginning, Lisa had that envelope. Ravi, you were chosen at random. One person. You chose a random book out of 4. Murder at Pride Lodge. I wrote something down on a piece of paper when I came here from home. This is before you came here, before I came here. Hold that. You're going to open it up and very loudly on this microphone, you're going to read it for the audience. Open it up. I'll take the book, I'll hold it for you. Remove your mask.
The person wearing black t-shirt with red white stripes and black and white frame specs will choose the book Murder at the Pride Lodge.
Murder at Pride Lodge, ladies and gentlemen. You can keep that. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much. And with that, guys, we come to the end of my set. You people have been a great audience. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yes.